Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSC Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Android phone with AirPlay with your smart TV. Today we have a Samsung Series 7 and a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to take a few steps in order to connect your phone with your TV, and then you'll be able to stream your media directly from your phone to your smart TV. So let's keep watching, and if you have any question or feedback, do let us know in the comment section below. The process is very simple. Go to your Play Store and type Google Home. You need to install this app and make sure that your app is also up to date. And once installed, you can go ahead and open that. Small file size, 21.20 MBs. And once you're on the main home screen page, the app will basically start the initial setup. Select your email address and then select home. Let's say home, and then click next. After that, click next and to click allow. It will basically search with the location access and try to find the available devices within the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure you are connected through your TV on the same Wi-Fi or wireless network which you are using on your phone. So here we have the Chromecast and the smart TV notification on the top, and then we'll move ahead. And after that, we are connected now. So here we can see that we have found a TV in the living room, a family room. If you click on this tab, you will see that the device is 100% connecting, and it's showing the mirror option here. So here we have the smart TV. Let me take you through that as well. And here we have a couple of HDMI connections. If we click on that, we stop this. And on the app, we have to click on this section again. And here you have two sections, cast my screen and personalized ambient. We will click on that, and as soon as we click on start screen sharing, you'll see that the screen has appeared on the TV, and now I can control my phone and watch that on my smart TV. This is very simple and easy, guys. You can do this in few simple steps. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned this how to connect your smartphone and stream your media directly to your TV. You can play games, watch contents available on your phone from the gallery, and also you can do other bits and pieces, whatever you like. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, do let us know in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.